Okay, so instructions. Number one, instead of making individual robots like we've been doing, let's make a factory function to make robots as we please. Create a factory function named robot factory that has two parameters, model and mobile. Make the function return an object. In the object, add a key of model with the value of model parameter. Add another property that has a key of mobile with the value of the mobile parameter. Then add a method named beep without a parameter that will log beep boop to the console. All right, let's first start off with the constant robot factory. Okay. And then within the parameter, we're going to have model and mobile, right? Yeah. And then arrow notation, arrow function notation, and we're going to return the return statement. Then model as a parameter and model as its key. Then mobile as a parameter, mobile as its key. Remember to use commas there, otherwise the program will break, that's for sure. And then let's call it beep. Yeah. And we're going to start off with a new console.log statement. So we're going to return the string beep boop. But from that. Okay, so next, number 2, use your factory function by declaring a const variable named tincan. Assign to tincan the value of calling robot factory with the first argument of p500 and the second argument of true. Okay, so use your factory function by declaring const variable named tincan. Okay, const variable tincan. And the value of calling robot factory. And then within the arguments, with the argument of p500. So p500. Okay, and then the second argument of true. Quickly run that. Okay, so now let's check what tincan can do. Call.beep on tincan. It is call.beep on tincan. You should see beep boop printed to the console, which means the factory function produced a robot object. Play around with tincan to check the other properties. So tincan says to call .beep. Right. So let's try that beep boop. Yeah. That's it. Right, let's move forward.